So when you can share with me your VM screen.
Yeah, I will share.
So I can take a look into it.
I shared.
Oh, so do you heads up, Helmel has many improvements.
Which one?
Oh, I'm just reading what you have on your screen. So basically you can you do RVM?
Okay.
Let me just make sure. RVM. So there's a command that's called list, I believe, RVM list.
Lowercase.
Oh, with a space. RVM space list.
Oh.
Enter. Okay, so nice. Let's do an RVM and then dash S.
Yes.
S space.
Okay.
Stable.
Space.
Stable. Yeah. Nope. So let's try it. RVM dash dash help. I need to go a little bit up. Okay, there's a comment here. Let's just do RVM. Yeah, I just pasted in the top in the group chat.
Okay.
Dash dash. You're missing a dash dash. It's RVM dash dash Ruby. Or just write what it says. RVM usage. Space usage.
Space.
Usage. That's what it's in the previous line. You know, when it says C RVM usage.
Usage.
With an A. Usage. USAGE. SAGE. Yep. Can you scroll up?
Yeah.
Or just right in the beginning of the output of that comment. Okay. Okay. A little bit down. Okay, can go a little bit down. There, okay, Ruby. Nah, the gold standard. The website says that you should, for all in one installation. Just execute the command that's in there, in that page that I sent you. See what happens.
Which one?
This. It should install you the last stable version of the RVM. Of the RVM of Ruby. You can just copy paste it.
No, it can't copy paste.
Oh, okay. So go into your input there in the VirtualBox. No, yeah, VirtualBox up there. There's an input, but the menu.
The video?
In the VirtualBox, there's an input there, input button. In the VirtualBox interface.
I don't think this is the new.
You see that? You see the menu of VirtualBox?
This one?
Sorry, I don't see your mouse. There's file, machine, view, input, devices. You see that line?
Yeah.
Okay. So in devices, there's one of them that is called shared clipboard. Just select bidirectional, and the next time you restart, you'll have copy paste there.
Okay. Okay. Device?
Device.
Yeah.
And it will open. Let it show up. So it will. Let me just check your mind. There's a shared clipboard.
Shared folders.
Shared clipboard.
No. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so select bidirectional.
Okay, okay. Identity, yes.
The next time you start your machine, your VirtualBox, you'll be able to copy and paste from outside and inside. So for now, just go to just write what I said, like /curl space dash S, capital S, capital L. No, the other one.
I'm going to. Okay. Dash curl dash SSL.
It's the other slash.
Is correct?
The slash is the other one. And the second S, it's caps.
Okay.
And then the L is also caps. Can't you just open a Firefox instance there?
Yeah.
And just open the Firefox there.
Okay.
Okay, in the top, just write rvm.io. It's not N, it's an M. Let's hope it's not very ugly. Something very ugly. No, it's not. You're lucky. Okay, so scroll down now. You need to fix your thingy there.
This one.
Yep. Just copy and paste. The slash is also the part of the comment. Yep. Oh. So copy and paste in the console. Control C. Okay, so just copy paste that line that's there. The GPG key server. Just copy and paste
it. This one?
Yes. Okay, so up, enter. No, with the keyboard. Up, twice. With your keyboard. Just press up, the arrow up on the keyboard.
This one?
In the keyboard, no, with the keyboard, just press arrow up.
Okay.
Again. Enter. Oh no, the curl command. Okay. Up again.
Yeah.
Enter. Yeah, that one. Run. You know, you can just resize your screen, right?
Yeah.
No, the interior screen.
I did little bit.
Sorry?
I did a little bit resized. I can see the chart now.
No, okay, but you're sharing. You see, if you maximize the screen, you see that you have like white things around.
Okay.
That can be solved if you go to, let me see if I can find it. I believe it's in View.
Okay.
And if you select maybe scaled mode or seamless mode. No, in the VirtualBox, sorry. The VirtualBox menu.
Oh, VirtualBox. This one?
I don't see where you're clicking. I'm talking about the VirtualBox one, the top corner, left corner.
Okay.
A little bit up, the mouse up.
Yeah. Outside
the virtual machine. In the VirtualBox menu, you see the VirtualBox menu?
To the right, to your right, yes.
Left and up, a little bit up.
Oh, left. Sorry. Left. Yeah.
No, now the menu that is over that.
Yeah.
No, the other one.
The other one, next one.
Up, a little bit up. There. Now left.
Okay.
There you go.
Go to machine. When I'm talking about the VirtualBox menu, it's that menu, okay?
Yeah.
So if you go to machine, sorry, it's to view. You can select seamless mode, or I believe it's seamless mode, or scaled mode, and it will resize your screen from inside your VirtualBox screen to fit the size of your monitor.
Okay.
You see?
Yeah.
So how did it go, the comment in the VirtualBox?
Thank you for using.
We are not seeing the screen.
No.
Stop sharing. If you like, you can just share the specific window. If it's easier for you, you can share just the VirtualBox window.
There you go.
Okay. So, can you scroll up?
Yeah. A little.
Creating RVM installation in RVM path. So let's try RVM. It just did this. No, just write RVM space less dash dash Ruby equals 2.2.2. Enter. RVM installed yet.
RVM.
Do an RVM reload. And again, the previous comment, RVM Ruby 2.2.2. Ruby interpreter version. Do a RVM list. List. Where's the thing in it? Just okay. This usually is something very simple. Just try RVM 2.2.2. Just that. Without the Ruby. To enter. Okay, so there's the comment down there. RVM install Ruby 2.2.2. Enter. So now it will take a bunch of time.
Okay.
Where it will compile everything and then you can go back. So Salim, you're muted.
Okay.
So what happened?
Okay. Oh, all right. Oh, she's done?
No, she's not done, but she'll be occupied for a bit.
Okay. Okay. All right. Can I share a screen and show you?
Yeah.
Okay.
When that comment finishes, just tell us. It will take a little bit because it's compiling all the libraries for Ruby. So
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yep.
Okay, here the it's still my place.
Job seekers.
Yes. I think probably.
Can you just give it a little plus there? Yeah. Okay.
Okay. This right here, resume ID. We don't have. We don't need it. I think.
Yes, we will need it. I don't like the ID thing. That should be a varchar.
Yes. Okay. So I think we don't need that resume ID because we here we saying has one resume.
The thing is, we might need to split this into another table.
Okay.
Yes, but for now we can just keep it here.
Okay. So do you want me to at least have a resume ID, foreign key in the job seeker as a resume ID?
Yeah, I'm okay with that. We can create a table that has. No. We are not going to have, at least for now, a resume model.
Okay.
So instead of, we can call it resume ID, but instead of an int, we are going to put a varchar 10.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, let's see if I can edit it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And in the future, if we see that we can have multiple resumes for the same job seeker,
okay,
then we will see how we will do it, because that might, we will need a table that will contain all the resume IDs that will be indexed by job seeker ID, not by resume ID. But
okay.
Future.
Okay.
So more.
Okay. That's the only thing I have comment on it. And then for on the waffle, I don't see the agency model agency people model chores. If I don't see anything, can I create a chore or no? Can I create?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. So can you?
Not yet, because the thing is, we have an issue that Friday we are going to talk with chat about it.
Okay.
Just
okay.
going to MetPlus.
Okay. 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 Because the agency people, it's connected to job seeker with the joint table. So I already have done the job seeker job status model, and then I have the joint table. So I'm missing this, the agency people.
Yes, there's an issue.
Okay, I'm gonna
about the job seekers. What happened if a job seeker needs to be connected with a branch of an agency or connected to the agency? We need to make sure what happens there, and then we can look into it.
Okay.
So for now, that's why we don't have a show for it, because we don't have enough information.
Okay. 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 And
so
that's...
but for your okay. So tell me more.
Okay. So that I can hold it to it. I mean, until we finish this the issue. I mean, I can work on it. And then I have this. Let's see, one more.
No, but you can commit your change here. If when we have people, you can commit your change over the people change, and then when we create the agency, we will create a connection between the agency and the job seeker.
Okay. Okay. Sure. That's good. Okay, and then I have quick question. I was let me here see one more thing. Okay.
You can leave it at 100%. You can see it at 100%.
Okay. 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 For the job seeker status, the value. What do you want me? What do you want me to be? Because is it
that is like an enum. You can just place whatever you want. Isn't there the comment on Waffle about that? I believe I added a comment of that Waffle. What's that? Job seeker status. There's a comment there that says it needs to add inserts as well for actively looking for work, not work looking for work, and employed.
Okay, there you go. All right, that's what I was looking for.
These are the three. When you create the model,
yes.
When you create the migration script, you need to create insert for these three entities.
Okay.
Three status. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So I had active, inactive. Anyway, I'll change. That's good. Okay. And then for let's see.
If you like, what you can do is create a enum to save that information to be easily accessible.
Say it again.
If you want, you can create an enum.
Yes.
Enumeration for it to make it easier.
Okay. And then this for the for description. Do you want me? Do we want a specific length of for example, limit the description or no?
Yeah, 255.
255.
Yeah.
Okay, and then how about the minimum? Do you need the minimum or no? No. Okay. Okay.
The description, it's more if we have somewhere a place where we have this status and we want to put a hover action.
Okay.
And we want to pop up like a little bit more information like employed, and over it you put your mouse over it and it says this job seeker is currently employed or something like that.
Okay.
To explain, it's more to explain the value there. So.
Okay. Okay. Okay, and then for the job seeker, year of birth. This one, year of birth.
Yep.
Do you want me to be like a specific format, or we can just use the helper method, like date helper or something, instead of, because I try to.
You can do
either way.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
That field is just a year, so
okay.
You can have it as an integer or a varchar of 4.
Okay.
And that's it. Because we cannot save the day of birth of the person, I believe. That's classified information or something.
Okay. All right. Okay. I think that's all I have.
So as soon if I were you,
yeah,
I would start with the job seeker status. And just do it. And complete this chore, and you can just create a merge request as soon as you finish that.
Okay.
And because the other one, the job seeker model is blocked by create people model.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
All right. All right. I think that's all I have for now. as far as the project going. Okay, so, and for the student, I thought that they're supposed to get the homework by now, homework 0.
Yeah, it should have been released. Was it yet?
Not yet. One of the students was telling me he does not see it.
Let me check. But yes, it was released on the 20th of October. Oh no, sorry. You should be able to see all the videos, but the homework will be released tomorrow at 8 UTC. Sorry, you're muted.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay, sorry.
So basically, you'll be able to see the students will be able to see the videos, but
yes.
The quiz and the homework will only be available on the 22nd at 8 p.m.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Yeah, installation is done.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll share that.
Any more questions, Salim?
That's all for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Vijaya.
Okay.
So you did. So it finished. So now do a bundle install.
Yeah. Yeah, it says Ruby was built without documentation to build it run RVM doc generate dash R.
Yeah, you don't need that. Just do a bundle install.
Okay.
You need to do a gem install bundle. And when that's finished, just do a bundle install. Okay, so just a bundle install. Okay, this will take a little bit, but it's picking up all the gems that you don't have.
Okay. In the model creation, which one? Rails generate model name. It creates the model and the table templates. We can add the fields there in that database table and the model belonging to and has many. That is the best way. Is there any other ways to create them?
You can just use the auto generation tool, the Rails generate,
Okay.
Rails generate model, and then the model name. And then
Yes.
if you want, you can just put space and put all the fields that you want, just to enter.
Okay.
Okay, see you, Salim. And then you just go, and it should be okay.
Okay. If I have my model has dependencies, then it generate errors when we are testing in the local.
Do you have dependencies on? Sorry.
If the model has dependency with other models and it generates errors when we are testing in the local.
Sorry, I didn't follow. You're saying that if your model has dependencies, what you do?
Other models, then whenever I'm testing, it generates errors.
Yes, but your model is the base model.
Yeah, I saw.
So you'll have no problem with that.
Okay.
Because basically, people.
Okay.
Let me just open up the studio to see. So basically, your model is a simple model, and everybody inherits from it.
Yeah.
You don't have any issue there.
Okay.
And as we don't have yet pets accounts. Okay, no, there's nothing. You just need to create like the first name, last name, email, like type, actable ID. No, you don't need to create the actable ID nor the actable type.
I don't need to create those two?
No. If you go to
It has a ID, first name, last name, email.
Those you need to create, and then in the model you will place this. You'll place this in the model itself, and in the migration file that you are going to create, you need to put you need to do this here. And this will you need to change the table, of course, because it's not.
Okay.
You need to put a deactivable when you create the table, and it will create those two fields, so you don't need to handle that.
I will show you. I create just a sample table. Yeah, it is done. I will show you first. I think the installation is finished.
Yeah, it looks like so.
Okay, I'll show you. Like that, this is the class, so it creates the person and actor record base.
In that class needs to have an actable.
Okay.
So you just need to.
Only actable like this.
Yep, just actable. Okay. Put all the fields that are there and t dot actable.
Okay.
It's a dot. It's not a
okay. I don't need ID field, yes?
Sorry?
ID field.
Yes, you need all the other fields. You need to have the ID, the first name, last name, email. Check, just make sure, because
actable ID and actor, everything I have to put in that table.
actable ID and the ones that start with actable, no, you don't, and you don't need to put the ID either.
Okay, actable types and the remaining things.
You just need to put there the first name, last name, and email.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I'll finish this one tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So do you need something else?
Yeah. So far, I'm here. Once I'm done this one, I will assign that company is related to the people table. They have relationship.
Okay.
Okay.
So as soon as you're done, just get it up.
Okay.
a pull request, and after that I'll review it, and if it's okay, I'll just merge it.
Okay. Okay.
So, do you need something else?
Yeah. So far I'm good for this one. Then
Good.
if you have any doubts, and I will tomorrow's meeting I will ask.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.